It's important to enhance your contact us page. We need things on here like map or a contact us form and even maybe some reviews. We also might want to put some reviews on our homepage. I'm going to show you a few more elements here that we can add to enhance your contact us page. The first element that I'm going to want to add would be a form element so that way they would contact us. It's easy to create a form by going into sites and forms. And if you haven't taken that training yet, definitely go take that. If you've already created your form, now it's time to add the form to your website. When you look at add an element, you're looking for the button that says form. We're going to drag and drop this over here. And what it's going to ask you to do is select that form. What we're looking for is a contact us form. There's our contact us demo form. And look what it did. It brought in my demo form of my previous massage demo form that we created inside of the form. Now I can go back in and edit that. Obviously, this is a burger site, but you get the idea. And bringing in the form makes it so easy for them to contact you right there. So all I've got to do is just delete the button. And now I've got my contact us form. Let's say I want people to come and find me. Let's look at our elements here. We want to be able to tell them where to come and find us, where we're located. All I did was drag and drop the map. When you click on the orange element, which is orange in the element, over here is going to be your box. But you can easily come over here. You can call this your map or your location. Let's open up the search box. We can put in our location. Let's just type in a burger shop. You can do the location by your address, your physical address, or just your location. If you just want to put in your city, we'll just say Arlington, Texas, and there's the city. Once you add your address, you can zoom in or zoom out depending on your locations that you're servicing. In this particular case, I might zoom all the way in so that way people can see exactly where we're located. When I save it, it saves the zoom in location and it shows right where we are. You can do things like change the map style to terrain, satellite view, or a hybrid view. You can also zoom in or zoom out here as well. Once you have your location all set up, you're ready to go and save it. We've got a contact us form and we have a map to our physical location on our contact us page. We can clean this up by deleting the elements we didn't need from the template that we brought in. That looks pretty good. There's other things that you can do to enhance your website pages. Things like adding a video or adding a video background.